pink fairy, 1, 2, 3. Come on, let's get fancy, fancy. Pink fairy, shop with me. Let's go to Target, Walmart, Aldi.
Everyone,
noon.
How's everyone doing?
Pink fairy, 1, 2, 3. Come on, let's get fancy, fancy.
Here's my Pink Fairy special coffee. You guys get these cups on Amazon. My friend Jackie sent those to me a few months back. Love them. They're the best cups ever. I love them with these little tiny spoons. A couple people was asking me about them, so I thought I'd let you know. You can get them on Amazon. Guys, breakfast. I got 1 piece of toast, and it's a wheat toast with some avocado and egg white. I hate that when that does that dry stuff on your eggs. And 1 egg white. That's what I'm gonna have for breakfast. And I also had a one of my yogurts already. It's got 12 proteins in it. I have one of those too. So that's will be my breakfast. And I'm drinking me my glass of water. Oh, can't wait to try this. I've never tried it before, but it's good though. Let's give it a try. Let's give this a try. Like I said, I've never tried this before, so I'm anxious to try it. Everybody says it's really good with the avocado. Avocado and stuff all over me. I had it on my hand. Anyways. That's good. It's up on my phone. It's better this way, guys. Good, I love it. Hey guys, I'm getting chili on. Go ahead and get the chili on for our dinner tonight because I'm going to stick it in the slow cooker. So, got to get it on so it can slow cook. Doing a pound of turkey meat, a red onion. And now I got the bell pepper to cut up. We'll put bell pepper in it. And all the rest of the good, yummy, yummy stuff, you know, that you put in. Sorry, guys, that's not going to work. Okay, so, like I said, we put bell pepper in ours. Do you guys put bell pepper in your chili? We love bell pepper. And I'll probably put a little bit of corn in it, too. Have you guys had corn and chili? It's so good. Yes, it is. The bell pepper makes it so yummy, too, let me tell you. It's not too bad out today, you guys. It's 55 out, but it don't feel too bad. Last I looked, it was 55, but there's no sun. Hopefully, maybe it'll come out later, but don't really look like it. Oh, these bell peppers are really cold. We got them in the refrigerator. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. I try to cut all this weight that I can. Don't know, I just don't like it. These ones are going to keep probably pretty long. We like the taste of the bell pepper. The lid and stuff that I just cut it up. I cut those in those little dices. Got this cute little knife. It's cooking fun when you got some cute little knives. Yes, it is. Makes it cut a little bit funner, I should say. Yes, it does. Okay, I'm going to wash all this. Got my drainer here to do it in. And then we'll see from there. Tomato juice, diced tomatoes, a can of black beans, and a can of dark red kidney beans. I got the bell pepper in already. The meat and onions still going over there. And then I'll add some chili powder to it too. You have to put chili powder in your chili, right? Right. Hey guys, here's the chili. I got it all ready to go. Just getting a good mix in. I put lots of chili powder. You can see it there on the sides. We like lots. Look at that. That is going to be some fine chili. Oh, I got to pour some corn in and I forgot about that. And then now we let it sit for a few hours, let it get all nice and bubbly. Then we're good to go. Yum. We'll be eating like kings and queens today. You guys, it's turned out to be a beautiful day. It's 61 out. Look at Milo out there. Milo. Hi, Milo. You know I gotta take a picture of cute Milo. He loves being outside. He sees the birds over there in the yard. I was going to see if you go catch them. Or try to catch them. They fly away. Max caught one when he was a pup. Oh, let's just go to show you guys the chili. It's starting to snow. It's been on for 3 hours. Looky there, looky there. Only if you had smell-o-vision. Starting to smell wonderful, y'all. Yes, it is. Oh, so wonderful. See the bell peppers? That's why I left them like that for, because they'll get nice and soft and be so yummy. Oh, it smells good. I can't wait till it's done. It's 4:30 now, so now Milo's out there barking at the birds. I'm going to give it to about 6 probably. We'll eat. Got cheese, sour cream to go in it. And I put a little bit of corn. Which I didn't show you guys that earlier. Still good. I usually like to give it a hard roll and then usually do it. Let's go here and see what Milo's barking at. What are you barking at? Yep, he's barking at the birds over there. Oh, they just threw away. I put my mop out there because we so what mop today. Haley just moved the backyard today. Hey, what are you barking at? Hi, mister. What's Mister barking at? You can come out. Haley. Extra lattice. I was thinking about maybe taking it to my sister's and see if she wanted to use it for something. Unless we could find something. I like to try to attach it back here. You know, behind my pond. So, might do that. Make a thing. Maybe get some something that climbs. But we also don't want to ruin our siding because look at the siding right there. That needs washed. Because all this down through here of our house never gets any sun. Oh, Max came out. Oh, great. He's going to pee on camera.
He doesn't care.
No, he don't care. He likes to be pee famous. Let's go come out here and walk a little bit. Hopefully, my feet don't get too green because the grass has been mowed a few. Oh, it's so beautiful out here. This is about the temperature it's supposed to be on Saturday. But I don't think it's going to, I didn't know you had the steps pulled out over here to our pool. Haley just threw that ball. Little soccer ball. Oh. What was I saying now? I forget. Haley threw the ball and I got distracted. Anyways, I didn't know he had those out here. It's our steps that go in the pool. And then see, you had to build it up for this. Because this attached to the thing. Got paint on it where we had them. But we've had them a while. And on here somewhere, we put sand in the steps too. You had to. So that's the steps going down into it. They were up under there. But he wanted to do the lattice, so he pulled them out, I guess. So, yeah. It's nice to keep them under there for the winter. But see, he did this. Because see, it's such a big gap to step over to get into the pool. See, and then the steps, you have to screw them onto here to keep them from moving in the water. So this will be perfect. He's got it good and sturdy. Good and sturdy. So yeah, these are the boards that we built the whole deck out of. Tim and Haley built this whole deck, so I don't know. And then I'm going to get some pool signs and put out here and hang down through there after we get all that junk out of here. I thought that'd be cute. We probably couldn't even hang some on here. But we really probably wouldn't see them. But we'll hang them on the other side maybe. I don't know. I don't know. I was going to do my build up beds right here. So I was thinking for our garden, I want to do some tomatoes and cucumbers this year. And I want to try to get some watermelon now. And some pumpkins for fall. So I thought that would be super cute. What? Oh. Oh. Right. This tree here is the one I was telling you guys I thought was dead because this one's getting its leaves and this one's getting its leaves. But look, it's starting to get them on there. It's just a little later bloomer of a tree because we got a couple outside the fence here that does. Then again, I was thinking about putting the garden here. This is where that shed used to be. We call it the pool shed because it's got all of our pool stuff in it. But we just want to get a tree and plant here. But like I said, we're getting the white plastic fence put up here. And it's going to be pushed out some. Because all this over here out to the road, there's a road right here, is our land. We have 3/4 of an acre here. So we got a good bit of land here. We do. Milo. Milo.
Once I kick it, he's gonna go for it.
All right, he runs after it. It's just too big for him to pick up. But he likes doing it. Yeah, he likes the little ones a lot. Hey guys, here's the chili. Looks so delicious. There's that guy riding his lawnmower again. This guy around here rides his lawnmower like it's his car. Got cheese and it got sour cream in it. Gonna have a few crackers and I'm drinking me a glass of water because it's hot. So thank you all so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Love yous. Bye.